Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to verify identity on Kraken KYC. KYC known your customer. Verification is required on Kraken to unlock full features like higher deposit, withdrawal limits, trading and security protection. And the process involves submitting your personal details and identity documentation so the platform can confirm your identity. And Kraken makes this process and most users complete in just few minutes. Open to your Kraken app on your device and make sure to log into your account if you already have not. So you need to go to the verification section. So over here under this home screen, tap on the continue verification in the top. So over here, in order to continue it, you need to type down your phone number and tap on the continue on the bottom, and also type down your legal first name and your last name as well, and type down your birth date. And after that, you need to proceed to choose your verification level as well and enter all of your personal information and tap on the continue each time. Upload your identity documentation as well, and this confirms that you are the same person as in your ID, and that is it. And after that, you can submit for the verification as well. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.